Hello everyone and welcome. Have you ever seen a fruit that looks like a star? Say hello to the starfruit, also called carambola. This fruit is a real showstopper, isn't it? It's not just pretty, it's absolutely packed with good stuff too. The starfruit comes from tropical places. It's part of the Oxalidaceae family. The fruit with 5 corners is very crisp and juicy with a refreshing taste. The fruit's colors vary from yellow to green. Depending on the variety, you might hear people call it belimming or country gooseberry too. No matter the name, it's a delicious treat. Drop a smiley face in the comment below if you're able to get this fruit in your location. Choosing a ripe one is easy. Look for bright yellow skin. A little green is okay, but mostly yellow means it's ready to eat. When you touch it, it should feel firm, not mushy. And guess what? Ripe starfruit smells sweet and a little bit floral. Yum! Imagine a warm, sunny place with lush green trees. That's where starfruit grows best. Originally from Southeast Asia, this fruit loves tropical weather. Countries like India, the Philippines and Malaysia are perfect for growing starfruit. The trees need plenty of sunshine and moist soil to produce their star-shaped treasures. Starfruit isn't just beautiful, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Think of it as a vitamin C bomb. Just one starfruit gives you more than half of your daily vitamin C needs. That's a big boost for your immune system. But wait, there's more. Starfruit is full of fiber, which keeps your digestion happy. It also has antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight off bad invaders in your body. Starfruit, your skin's new best friend. Want glowing skin? Starfruit can help. Those powerful antioxidants we talked about, they're like superheroes for your skin. They fight off damage from the sun and pollution, keeping your skin looking young and fresh. You can eat starfruit for its beauty benefits, or even find skincare products made with starfruit extract. We've linked a lovely dried starfruit product in the pinned comments below for you. Your skin will thank you. A Star is Born, a simple starfruit salad. Today we're diving into a delightful and refreshing recipe that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also add a touch of tropical flair to your meal. Ready to get your starfruit on? This simple salad is a great place to start. Slice a ripe starfruit into those beautiful star shapes. Make sure to wash it thoroughly and remove any seeds. The starfruit's unique shape will make your salad look like a work of art. Toss them with your favorite salad greens like spinach or romaine lettuce. These greens not only add a vibrant color contrast, but also provide a nutritious boost and base for your salad. Add a handful of crunchy nuts, like almonds or walnuts. Toasted is best. These nuts add a delightful crunch and a dose of healthy fats and protein, making your salad even more satisfying. For a tangy dressing, mix a little olive oil and lemon juice. This simple dressing enhances the natural flavors of the starfruit and greens without overpowering them. You can also add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Voila, a refreshing and healthy salad, perfect for a light lunch or a side dish at dinner. Enjoy the burst of flavors and the beautiful presentation. This starfruit salad is sure to impress your family and friends, not to mention your own tummy. The legend of the starfruit tree. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a magical tree. This tree was unlike any other, standing tall and proud in the heart of an enchanted forest. Its branches reached out like welcoming arms, and its leaves shimmered with a mystical glow. It bore the most unusual fruit, shaped like twinkling stars. These star-shaped fruits were not only beautiful, but also had a magical quality to them. They glowed softly in the moonlight, casting a gentle light that illuminated the forest floor. People believed that eating the star-shaped fruit brought good luck and happiness. The fruit was said to have the power to heal the sick, bring joy to the sorrowful, and even grant wishes. Villagers from far and wide would come to the enchanted forest to gather the precious star fruit. They would make wishes on the falling stars and share the fruit with loved ones. It was a tradition passed down through generations, a symbol of hope and unity. Families would gather under the starfruit tree, sharing stories and dreams, their hearts filled with wonder and anticipation. The legend of the starfruit tree reminds us of the simple joys in life and the importance of sharing. It teaches us that true happiness comes not from material wealth, but from the love and connections we share with others. The starfruit tree stands as a beacon of hope, a reminder that magic exists in the world and that it can be found in the most unexpected places. The starfruit surprise, a reason to shine. Here's a surprising fact about starfruit. It may help fight cancer. Recent studies have shown that starfruit contains powerful antioxidants and other compounds that could play a unique role in cancer prevention. These compounds work by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and lead to cancer development. By incorporating starfruit into your diet, you could be taking a proactive step towards reducing cancer risk. Scientists are studying how the compounds in starfruit can slow down the growth of cancer cells. Research is ongoing, but early findings are promising. The unique combination of antioxidants, flavonoids, and other phytochemicals in starfruit appears to have a synergistic effect, enhancing the fruit's potential to combat cancer. This research is still in its early stages, but the initial results are encouraging and suggest that starfruit could be a valuable addition to cancer prevention strategies. While more research is needed, it's another reason to add this amazing fruit to your diet. Starfruit is not only delicious, but also versatile. You can enjoy it fresh, add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, or even use it as a natural sweetener in various recipes. Its sweet and tangy flavor profile makes it a delightful addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Plus, it's low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. So next time you're at the grocery store, keep an eye out for these star-shaped wonders. They might not always be in the spotlight, but they certainly deserve a place in your shopping cart. Look for firm, bright yellow starfruit with a slight green tint at the edges. This indicates that the fruit is ripe and ready to eat. If you find starfruit that is still mostly green, you can let it ripen at room temperature for a few days until it turns yellow and perfect for munching. As we close out today's video, remember to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Your support helps continue to bring interesting and informative content about the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables and their incredible benefits. We love sharing these insights with you and hope that you find them as fascinating as we do. Subscribe to the channel for more delicious adventures. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so hit that subscribe button for more amazing food adventures. And if you want even more foodie fun, become a member for exclusive content and perks. As a member, you'll get access to special videos, behind-the-scenes content, and other exciting perks that are not available otherwise. It's a great way to deepen your knowledge and appreciation of fruits and healthy eating. Stay healthy and happy, everyone. Remember, incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet is one of the best ways to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Starfruit is just one of many delicious options out there, so keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep enjoying the wonderful world of fruits. Until next time, take care and stay vibrant.